Hey everyone, Maddox here. Today we're going to look at settings in Channels. Channels has a lot of settings. This is great because you can create a really customized experience. Those that use Channels know that you can tweak almost anything inside the app to make it work just like you want. The problem is if you have a lot of clients, this can get a little bit annoying. You have to go to every single TV or device and change all the settings. So today we're going to look at how to make your life a lot easier using something called server-side settings. Okay, let's switch over to the web admin and you can see where these live. Server-side settings live under the Clients tab. And here you'll see all the clients that have attached to your Channels DVR server, as well as a list of settings. All of these settings correspond exactly to the Channels app. Some of them are specific to clients and they'll be listed, and all of them have their descriptions labeled. Server-side settings let you set almost all the settings for your Channels apps on the servers. The way they work is the settings are set on the server. When the client connects to your server, it adopts all of those settings and applies them. This allows you to configure all your clients in one place and only one time. And if you add a new client in the future, they'll automatically adopt all your settings, so you don't have to do anything later on. Okay, let's jump into it and see how they work. On the left side, you'll see a list of all the settings. They'll correspond to the settings that are in your Channels app. You can go ahead and choose a setting and set it, and it'll appear in the Channels app. It's very simple. Okay, let's go over to the Channels app and check out the settings. If we go to Library, you can see there's a setting to allow deletion. Right now it's set for everything. We can set it to nothing. And now, if we go to our library and click on something, the delete button's gone. That's great. But we're gonna have to do that for every single client. Everyone in the house, everybody's devices, everything. So let's switch back to the web admin and set it server side. Okay, let's find the setting first. We'll go under Library, Allow Deletion. We're going to add it. We're going to choose None. Now let's switch back to Channel. Now we can see that the setting's been set. Not only is the setting set for us, but we can't change it, so it's locked down. So server-side settings don't just allow you to easily set all your settings everywhere, you get to lock down your clients as well. Okay, let's lock down the client even more. Okay, let's go back to the web admin and add some more settings to really curate our experience. Okay, there's a couple of sections we want in the sidebar navigation on every client. So let's go ahead and add those. We want TV shows and movies, and up next. Add those, turn them on, and let's switch back to the client. Booyah! You can see they're now in our nav bar. And not only are they in this one, they'll be in every client that connects, so we never have to make that configuration again. Okay, let's go back to the web admin and check out another really great feature, server-side settings. So, all server-side settings are set globally automatically. These will apply to every single client that connects. But what if you have a client that needs specific settings? For example, what if we want the client we're using right now to have a different navigation structure? Well, you can do that by clicking on the client and adding its own settings. So let's go to General, Manage Navigation. Let's turn all of these on. And now we can customize. We can turn off on later, on now. Let's do just library tabs. So we'll do up next, TV shows, movies, videos, collections, turn off the library. Okay. Now, when the client connects, it'll adopt all of the global settings first, and then all of the settings that were set specific for itself. Let's switch back to that client. As we can see, it has its own set of navigation tabs. Server-side settings can really make your life a lot better. We can't suggest server-side settings enough. If you have more than one device with channels running on it, we highly suggest using server-side settings. It'll make your life easier, you can control your client remotely, and it's just an overall much better experience. All right, that's it for now. I hope you've learned that server-side settings can really make your life a lot easier. So what do you guys think? How are you using server-side settings? Let us know in the comments and any other thoughts you have on server-side settings. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to our channel. That way you'll catch all of our future videos that dig deep into the helpful features Channels has for making it the best way to watch and record your TV entertainment. Bye for now.